Hi, good morning friends. Welcome once again to MS Tips and Tutorials. Today actually we will be going through another tip, MS Excel tip that will be useful for you. So today we will learn how to highlight blank cells in an Excel data. So for that I have created a sample data over here. Okay, so you can see that we have a set of data, like we have days, morning, afternoon, evening, midnight. Then we have days from Sunday to Saturday. We have corresponding data over there, but we can see that certain cells are left blank due to some reasons. It might be due to various reasons, but what we want to do is we need to highlight these blank cells. So I'm just formatting the table. Okay, so now we need to highlight these blank cells. This one is a small table, so we can easily identify the blank cells, but for a big table, such blank cells need to be highlighted for better understanding of the data. So here we'll see how we can do that. It's quite easy. Just you need to be at the home tab over the top, and if you go towards the right side you can see an editing option. Okay, then you can see another option, find and select. Just click on that. Now we can see various options like find, replace, go to special, formulas, notes, conditional formatting, constants, data validations, so and so. So here you need to select the fourth option, which is go to special, for highlighting the blank cells. But before that we need to select the area which needs to be highlighted. So this is our primary area that needs to be highlighted, and now you can go from here, go to editing, click on this find and select, then go to then select go to special. Yeah, now a small dialog box will be opened in front of you. Here you can see a lot of options like notes, constants, formulas, blanks, current region, current array, object, flow difference. A lot of options are there, but the options that we need to go the option that we need to go after is the fourth one, blanks. Just click on the blanks option. Okay, then click on OK. Now you can start seeing the difference. Okay, you can see that the blank cells will be highlighted. Yeah, now all the blank cells are highlighted. Don't click anywhere, just don't click the mouse anywhere. Now you can see that the blank cells are highlighted. So if you can give a particular color for that blank cells, for example you can select from here. If you want to give blue color, you can click blue, or if you want to give brown color, you can select and click on that. Yeah, now it's clear. So you can see that the blank cells have been highlighted over here, and it will be quite easy for you to analyze the data in a better way for a big table. This is a small table, so I'm not talking about a small table, but when it comes to a bigger data table, it will be very much helpful for you. So that's it. That's all from my side today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed it, please like this video and share it with your friends. And if you are on this YouTube channel for the first time, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so that you get further notifications whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.